Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use your TikTok effects on your videos. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok app, then click on the plus button, and then what you're gonna do is either scroll left for new filter recommendations, or you can swipe right for your favorite filters. You can also click on all effects and browse more effects from here. You can choose trendy effects. You can also create effects. You can add new AI, funny games, photo editing, appearance, vibe. All sorts of effects are available there. Or if you are searching for a specific type of effect, go ahead and just simply click on the search option and you can search effects from here. So yeah, this is how you guys can use effects. And if you guys do not want to use the effect anymore or switch the effect, just double click on the effect and you can use the effects on TikTok like that. I hope this video helped you guys on learning how to use your effects on TikTok. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and for a comment on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.